Hello and a very good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Pleased to meet you guys. So my name is Muhammad Amir Arif Ahmad.
My name is Nurul Shafiqah.
My name is Muhammad Syabi Arimi.
My name is Fakri and I'm Lakshan.
So how do you find this place? Is it quite okay?
It's hot.
Hot.
Yes, it's hot.
How about
I'm
you?
sweating.
Sweating, yeah?
It's nice.
So are you guys ready to start our discussion?
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
Shall we start now? Okay. We are about to discuss on dengue outbreak. Who should take the responsibility to take action in preventing the dengue outbreak? So, in my opinion, I think that government should take the responsibility to prevent the dengue outbreak because as I as I see that there is a lack of awareness in our country about the dangers of the dengue outbreak. So, if this case get carried too long, it will cause the increasing in the dengue case. So the rate of death will be increased. So what do you think about my point?
I agree. I agree on your point about spreading awareness to the people, but for me, I believe that school plays the responsibility in spreading awareness because school is the place where people go to study, young people go to study, and as we know that young people are not educated enough. I mean, not well informed about the dengue, then where
Like
how
children.
yes, like the children, anybody, students. So for me, since every students, kids will go to school 5 days a week, so they spend most of the time there, and so the school has a chance to spread or made a campaign to spread awareness for them to teach them that what is right and how to prevent from the dengue outbreak. That's
You have a very good idea. You
Yeah.
was talking about spreading awareness.
yes.
But in this context, I think media has the highest power here because they own stations, they own television networks, they own radio broadcasts, so they can spread awareness from that. So everybody can listen to the broadcast and know what is going on, and they know what is dengue, how it caused, and they can prevent it. So everybody can know about dengue if media take part in this.
You have a good point because I think that each of us have our own television, right?
Yeah.
Or radio or something like media. So I think that is the effect.
The point is good. I agree with your point because media, as you know, they can spread the awareness
Effectively.
effectively. But I think family is the most suitable who can control the outbreak because we are very close with our family. The people who are close with us. Family will clean house every day, and they can remind about our safety, then always concern about us. So they will empty water from containers and not let the water to stagnant like in the bus prevent the mosquito.
I think you're right about that.
She's a very good point because
Because
most of the time children spend their time in their house with their family.
yeah. So, Lucky, do you want to add anything?
Yeah, I would like to add something because I heard every each of your points. So, but from a point of view, I think the individuals itself need to
Take action.
take action. Yes, to take action for what the government has give or what the media has shown to us. Because even though the government do the campaign, if there is no participants, so the campaign will not work, and the media will just give advertisement, free advertisement for just because the media, the advertisement itself have their own message that the citizens need to understand. So that's the media's action part of from this from this case and this dengue outbreak. So for me, even though the government and the media, the school or the family uh, ask their students or their children to prevent the dengue outbreak, even though the individuals itself do not do it, so it will not work.
I think it will be an empty talk if the person is not involving.
But as we know, the beginning of the dengue is from home because if the container was something like that is full of water, then if we will not cover it, so then the mosquito will
Spread all the.
yeah. So the dengue is more occur at home actually, more at home. So the awareness is we should take at home more.
I may be wrong, but I tend to think that parents should call or report to the government, the what you call it, authorities to make a spray for what you call it, around their house or apartment, so that the mosquito will the rate of rebirth of mosquito will increase it. So I think that from that the case of dengue outbreak can be prevented little by little. So what do you think? I think that parents should report to the authorities
Uh,
also.
on your point that you said the beginning of the dengue is at home, I disagree because dengue doesn't mean it starts at home because it may start from the school,
Anywhere,
shopping mall or construction site. Because it's general. Dengue, as long as there's stagnant water or any place for the mosquito to breed, there's the house plays maybe a little of the dengue outbreak, but it's more to the community. Yes. So for me, spreading awareness is important because a person might be walking past through a stagnant water full of dengue and he might not notice. He might just ignore it, and then for his ignorance, dengue outbreak has started.
especially children actually.
Yeah, especially because
Because
they
at school, especially primary school, children just always like to play with the water.
yes.
So this dengue is dangerous for them and also for the school.
So I think that you have a strong point there because if we educate the children from the beginning, and in the future they will do the same
Yes.
to the next generation.
Yes.
So I think that that will be what uh, change, or if it will be continuous.
But that's a very good point. But we have to think about now, present.
Now,
You have to stop the dengue outbreak right now. So who has the highest power here?
I think that government have the highest power.
So I believe government should take more responsibility by spreading awareness. Maybe they can control the media. Maybe they
Sure.
can control the school. Maybe they can advertise to the family to take care of it, or maybe to individuals by making campaigns. So what do you guys think?
So I think that government have the power to control all the media and full power. So I think that the government should what make the make more advertisement to educate the community or on how to prevent or to prevent the dengue outbreak.
maybe the government can use the law.
Yeah,
Or
Enforce
put
the
a
law.
law, enforce
So do you mean that using the law like does not clean their stagnant water, or so they will be fined out, so they will fine for not doing that?
Like for example, an house has a stagnant water and got like dengue, Aedes mosquitoes around. So the government can like find the family to educate other families to not do the same.
Because as you know, government has, as you can say, full control of our country. So they can give a more.
They can use their power.
Yeah, use power to spread
They-
awareness.
They
To
have power,
spread-
so why they don't just use their
Yeah,
power?
exactly.
yeah, absolutely.
But sometimes if the government control all the all the like media, so sometimes if our staff is not constant about us, so it's nothing.
That's why the law take place. Means people afraid of getting
Fine,
fined.
yeah.
People afraid to get into jail.
I think that's maybe a good for this thing.
Like you said, individual is like a point from Fakri. The individual must do it himself. But if the government has put a law that if you never clean the stagnant water, you will be fined 50 ringgit. So of course people don't want to get fined, don't want to get money taken off, right? So they will force themselves to do this kind of job. They actually, in such a way, the government has controlled us to prevent the dengue outbreak.
Sorry. So, calm down everyone. So, so as I see, as I see that government had the full power of to take the responsibility in this case. So, any other point to
Add up.
add up?
I believe I have nothing to add.
Yeah. For me, my point is government take the full responsibility on this.
I also agree with the point because if we conclude all the things, we can see that government has the most powerful
Government is on top.
Yeah.
Government is on
Top
top.
of the
Media on the
pyramid.
second.
government
School.
that control all the
Yes, true. All the factors.
all the matters.
Can you get it?
What
The
do you mean?
government has the full power.
Ah, yes, yes, yes.
Is that clear enough?
So
Yes.
we all agree that government have the full power. Government have the main main role to prevent the dengue outbreak. So I think we all agree to that.
Okay. So to sum up, we decided to choose the government should take the responsibility to prevent the dengue outbreak. So have a nice weekend to you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.